guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nina Carpio, and if you like what you see so far, please consider subscribing by hitting that red subscribe button down there, as well as the bell button so that you're notified whenever I have a new video that comes out, because I post every week. And today we're gonna be doing this eye makeup. So just eye makeup because we're gonna be wearing a mask. So I'm starting with the concealer first. So again, the focus is on the eyes. So I'm not gonna show you guys how I did everything else. It's only the eyes that's gonna show anyways, because this is when you're going out. So you're gonna be wearing a mask. No use din yung foundation mo. So concealer you can put because, you know, the mask is not gonna be up to your eyes anyways. So I'm putting some of the concealer on my lid as well. Okay, so the look that we're gonna go for today is sparkly eyes. Yan. And I'm gonna use this palette by Huda Beauty to do this look. Okay, what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna get Eden. It's like a light peach color, so you can use parang ano rin, light brown, pwede rin yun. I'm just gonna put this on my crease. So I don't know about you guys, but I haven't been wearing a lot of makeup really these days. Parang yung full makeup, I haven't been doing that for a long time now. Not for a long time, but yeah, whenever I go to work, I don't wear makeup at all anymore. Or I do, eyebrows, yun lang, eyebrows lang. So it made my life a little bit easier in the morning actually. Kasi when I get up, shower lang, tapos skincare, and then yun, eyebrows, and I'm out the door. So for the lid, I'm gonna use Angelic. Parang light glittery pink siya. And I'm just gonna put this all over. And since it's summer here, you don't really want to put like a heavy eye makeup. So yung mga ganito lang. And I don't know if you can see that part right there. It's actually an allergy. So that's one more reason why I'm not wearing so much makeup or eye makeup these days. Like ano lang talaga, eyebrows. And then ano, sometimes eyeliner. Pero sometimes you wanna put makeup eh. I wear makeup para lang to feel good. Sometimes it makes you feel good. Parang meron kang you get that inner confidence a little bit. It makes you positive. I don't know, it makes me positive. Kasi parang, pwede pala akong gumanda. Jay lately has not been seeing me wearing any makeup, so nagtataka siya. Ganyan pala itsura mo, honey, sabi niya. Napakasama. There you go. See, oh, parang may patch doon na white. Yun, that's my allergy. And then, I'm just gonna go back with that. Itong brush nito, itong round brush for my crease para lang walang harshness. And then, lagyan na natin ng eyeliner. So, I'm just using this black one. So, the way that I'm gonna put the eyeliner is a bit different kasi ilalagpas ko siya here. So, I'm gonna be very careful. So, parang ganun. Okay, it's the first time that I'm doing that, so we'll see. I'm just gonna focus. I'm gonna focus while I'm doing this. Actually, let me just pause muna. I'm gonna go like really focus on this. So guys, here you go. Here's my eyeliner. And then what I'm gonna do is parang maglalagay ako ng isang ganun here. Para parang medyo almond shape yung eyes. Okay, let me do that. Kasi nga, I need to concentrate. I'll be back. There you go. I put this like line in there to make it like longer. Is it longer? Yep. So, and then I'm just gonna put in some highlighter in the inner corner as well. This highlighter right here, Becca. This is in gold, no, this one is in C-Pop. Para mag-pop yung inner corner. Here sa ilalim also. Then, lagay ko lang to sa waterline at the end, yung black. Actually, I'll put it on my waterline full. It looks heavy because of the black liner. And then, under the eyes. Lagay tayo under the eyes. Let's put yung ito ulit, yung Eden. Again, as a transition. And then, lagay tayo ng highlighter under the eyes. Yung parang egg yolk look. There. Diba? And then, lagyan natin ng lashes yan. Before you put your lashes, maganda naka-curl to. Para mag-blend siya dun sa lashes. Tingin muna sa baba. I know a lot of women struggle with putting eyelashes, but I think it's just a matter of getting used to. There you go. Lashes are in. And then I'm just gonna put some glitters kasi nga sparkly eyes eh. So I'm using this glitter liner by Teviant. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna dab that all over the lid. So gawin ko, I'm just gonna put here the back of my hand and then get some on my finger. And then yan. Parang nag-sparkle siya. Actually, lagyan rin natin dito para maganda. There you go, sparkly eyes. So now, we're gonna put our mask. Before we end, in this channel, we like to highlight the beauty of being a Morena. So we created the Morena of the Week. So let's meet this week's Morena of the Week.
Hi, my name is Ella. Having a morena skin, I'd lie if I say that I always like having morena skin, so the answer is no. I used to not like it very much when I was younger because I get teased a lot about my skin color. The idea of being beautiful back home is having lighter skin. But what I love about my morena skin right now is that I get to have tan all year round without even going to the beach. So it's effortless tan.
Now, if you are watching this and you're wondering how can I be featured in the next video, it's very simple. Just leave a comment down below and let us know what you like about today's video. That's it. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching and for continually supporting me. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now. Keep smiling, even if you're only smiling with your eyes.